Hey guys, Bodley Gaming here. I am back. I have been very busy, very busy. So I'm happy to be back on this channel. Very happy. Should I turn off the music? Sound effects on? Should we have the sound effects on? I don't think. Yeah, let's have the music on anyway. Let's continue. Okay. What do I do here? And if you guys like this, I will buy the actual game if you guys like this stream. Not stream, but you know what I'm saying. I will buy the actual version of this. Yes, I will buy for you guys. I'm just waiting for these planes, and nope. So I just separated. Oh, does that end my game? Yes, it is. The classic game over. Okay, let's continue. You landed 0 aircrafts. Yes, and I can buy flight control. So if you guys like it. Let's say 18 views on this video and I'll buy it. I'm just playing the demo, so. Just gonna let this plane just travel, so then that guy can go in. Yeah. Oh no. I'm just gonna give him a nice long time. There we go. Oh no. Yeah. It's nice. It's working smoothly. If you guys want me to just turn down the volume or something, I don't know. I'm just making it a long way for this aircraft here. I like these little aircraft. Well, that's very slow. We did that like a minute ago. Yeah. Well, that was close. Wasn't close. It was perfect. Ooh, a helicopter. And apparently in the full version, you can get to like, what do you call those things? You can get an aircraft carrier, and you can land planes and helicopters on that. So, I'd really like to buy the full version, so just get this 18 views. All it takes, just 18 views. If it does, everybody's going to be lucky that's watching this. Or if you don't want it, I'll get to another video soon. Very soon. Oh, I need to just turn that guy around and get that guy there. This is going to take a long time, so that's good. This is like a really fun game. Oh, a plane and a helicopter. Okay. So I'd really like to buy the full version of this game if we can, anytime soon. Earn 1 coin for watching. Nah. I don't want to do that. this, and we will continue this. Ooh, that looks good. I'd like to have that. I'm gonna see right over here. I'd love to have that. It'd be amazing. Okay, now buy flight control. Okay. I will lighten up this room next video, and I'll add some more things, and we'll call it the gaming room. If that sounds too cringy or anything, please leave your suggestions for what you want this room to be called. Oh, they're gonna crash. Oh, okay. And I do not know how to edit my videos, so I just know how to brighten up everything. So it's kind of a problem. And more game over. There we go. It's a game over. Okay. Okay. Good start. Nothing. What's our high score? 15. Okay, we have to beat 15 planes landing. Yeah. I've been kind of sick lately. Good that you guys are like somewhere else, but good thing you are watching my video because I need some support. Oh no, this is gonna end badly. Yep, it's gonna end. Oh no, it isn't. Oh, they weren't even touching wings or anything. How could that? What? I have no idea. And if you guys don't want my face here anymore, just comment. And I'll change it to a... I can change it. Okay, it's not letting me change it right now to show you guys. I find this game's like really fun. But even though it's kind of not hard and kind of hard at the same time, if you know what I'm saying here. I know my bro Death Spike 1225's gonna be watching this, so if you are watching this, I'm back in business. Check out his channel. Oh darn. Just leave that other aircraft alone, please. Oh, I don't like that. I mean, I just like woke up 2 minutes ago, got dressed, so got clothes on, whatever you want to say. So I'm good. I'm good. Okay, give me that. And if you guys want me to, I will get a StarCraft gameplay. But I've been playing it for a while, so I'm going to have some, like, history left. So I might, if there is, get a new slot. And if there isn't, we're just going to have to stick with that. Because I have alien monsters and stuff attacking. I already have cool stuff, and I've already passed, like, the best level ever. So that's... Oh, we're going up there. Okay, that's good. Oh, no. Please land and be okay. Okay, no one's gonna die. So far. Why am I putting my fingers that close to the camera? Wow. Why am I putting... Wow. This is weird. Okay, plane's landed. Oh, we got a helicopter. Go there, helicopter. Helicopter actually moves as fast as a snail. What's wrong? Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh no. Yeah, that plane's moving fast. I better get moving. I'm gonna take you off. There it crashed. Okay. Let's see. And also suggest what game I should play next. Oh, my camera's actually pretty bad. And yes, I can do a StarCraft gameplay. I have proof and everything. And I know some of you out there are going to be like, oh yeah, we already know you have proof. So it's going to be fun. You know how I said about the 18 views? Get it to 19 views. 19 views for StarCraft gameplay, 18 views to buy the actual non-demo version of Flight Control. Okay, let's go to the menu and see what we got here. Airfields. Okay, next. Oh, you have to upgrade to get these things. Yeah, you can get these water planes, you can get those. Okay, you can get a lot off this. That'd be cool. So, 18 likes, people. And that will end this video for today. Thank you guys for watching. And don't forget to smash those 18 views. And goodbye.